Today I will show how to buy shares of DoubleVerify Holdings Inc. using a broker as an example. DoubleVerify is a digital media measurement and ad verification company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DV, and this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To complete a purchase, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro to illustrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with a government ID and to add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker DV to find the company listing. Confirm you have selected DoubleVerify Holdings Inc. on NASDAQ before opening the asset page. The asset page shows a brief company description and a price chart so you can check recent movement. Verify that the page corresponds to DoubleVerify Holdings Inc. and the DV ticker before proceeding to buy. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. After the trade fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to review the broker used in this example.